Okay, so guys, question 1 to 5. Can you all tell me which question you all have trouble at? Which question that you want me to discuss for set 7 today? Number 7, set 7. Which one you find tough from question 1 to 5 first? Which one you want discussion on? Type for me the number, tulis nombor. Which one you find susah? Anyone? 1 to 5? Any question that you find difficult? Kalau tak ada, you cakap tak ada lah. If don't have anything, you just say you don't have. So anyone? Any question? 1 to 5. Can you all type the number? Ada tak guys? Respond please. 1 to 5. Any question? You want me discuss? 2 Okay. So this one. Hey, sorry. Why I go and press print? Okay. Okay guys, if you see like this, what are they asking you to do here? Apa mereka suruh kamu buat? Kamu kena buat pembezaan. You must do differentiation. When you see symbol D over dx is differentiation. Pembezaan peringkat pertama. Okay? So guys, kita akan guna petua mana? Hasil bahagi atau hasil darab kat sini? Will we use the product rule or quotient rule for this kind of equation? If we want to differentiate it. Do we use product or quotient? Which one? Can anyone tell? Hasil bahagi atau hasil darab? Anyone? Will you use product rule or quotient rule? Okay lah, can. Boleh. Actually, right, you can use both. Okay, kamu boleh guna dua-dua sebenarnya. But which one is more easier, guys? Mana lebih senang? Kalau kamu nampak macam mana persamaan ni disusun. Based on how the equation is arranged, which one is easier? Yes, quotient lebih senang. Okay, petua hasil bahagi is much easier. Let y equal to u over v. Okay, because u over v lah. Because you have divide. Okay, kamu ada bahagi. That's why u over v. So u is equal to 2 plus 3x power 3. And then v is equal to 1 plus x. Okay, so then pembezaan shouldn't be a problem lah. Differentiation, this one very simple only. You all can do. Okay, du over dx is 3, 2 plus 3x square. So guys, if I do like this, is it correct? Adakah ni betul? Do I get the correct answer if I just differentiate like this? Yes or no? Very good. Wrong. Okay, make sure you all differentiate the content of the bracket. Kamu kena bezakan kandungan dalam kurungan. If you don't differentiate the content, gone. Okay, because you just lost 1 mark. Okay, so make sure you differentiate the content, then you will get this one. Okay, final answer for du dx. So dv dx, very simple. You differentiate 1, you get 0. You differentiate x, you get 1. So 1 is the answer. So remember back your formula for quotient rule. Okay, quotient rule is dy dx equal to v du dx minus u dv dx bahagi v square. Okay, so then you just substitute. Gantikan all the nilai inside only. Then you will be able to get the answer. So v over here is 1 plus x. So you substitute 1 plus x. And then du dx is 6, 2 plus 3x square minus u. U is 2 plus 3x cubed times 1. Okay, so it's like this only. Okay, then you divide by v square. So v square is 1 plus x, and then you square it lah. Okay, this one is this state 2023 Smka Sabk. Okay, sekolah berasrama lah, in other words. Oh, this one is paper 1 question number 2. So now when you get 1 plus x, you must square because v is square. Okay, something like this lah. So then, is this the final answer, guys? Boleh tak saya bagi ni jawapan akhir? Can this be the final answer? Or will you do something else? Yes, no, you can further simplify. Okay, Yeah, factorize also can, or you can further simplify. This one you can factorize. Okay, because 2 plus 3x is a common factor, faktor sepunya. So you just keluarkan only. So you just take out 2 plus 3x. Wait, now we are still 1 to 5. Slowly, okay. So then you times this one. Okay, darab dua-dua ni, you will get 6 plus 6x minus 2 minus 3x. Okay, not minus 2 plus 3x. Guys, remember the times. Kamu kena ingat the darab. Because over here, kita faktorkan 2 plus 3x square keluar. So, inside the bracket, you times this, you get 6 plus 6x. And then remember, you got a remainder here. Okay, baki 2 tambah 3x. So, minus bracket 2 plus 3x, you will get minus 2 minus 3x. Don't have plus 3x. Dia tambah, bila temu tolak, it become tolak. Okay, so then you divide by 1 plus x square. Okay, then you can finally simplify this whole thing. Okay, when you simplify, you will get this final answer. Okay, something like this. 3x plus 4 over 1 plus x square. Okay guys, can you all get it? Boleh faham how you get dy dx? Okay, make sure kamu tak tinggal jawapan kat sini. Don't leave your answer here. Try to simplify it and give your answer in the simplest form. Paling mudah. Okay, so that you will not lose out any marks just in case. Okay guys, so any more question 1 to 5 that you have trouble? 1 sampai 5 that you feel like you want me discuss? Any other numbers? If no, then we will proceed 6 to 10. Wow, such way you so come, huh? So now guys, proceed, huh? Okay, so if you say none, okay, now 6 to 10. Which one you want me to discuss? 6 sampai 10. I think 6 looks a bit hard lah. But okay, but actually this one I got explained already before, but never mind, we explain again. This one actually come under the proving. Okay, soalan buktikan for integration. If you all remember the proving class I did, you all will know lah. Okay, so this one come under the proving for integration. So basically, first step, you must know the delta x. Okay, kamu kena cari delta x. What is the delta x? Delta x is this length, the small length over here. Okay, yang paling kecil. Or in other words, the panjang for this jalur lah, the length of the strip. Okay, so guys, how to get the panjang of one jalur? Can anyone tell me the formula? Delta x equal to what? This is your first starting point. So can anyone type? Involving the B and A, melibatkan dua nilai ni, what equation can you form for delta x? Anyone? Let's say n is the number of strip lah. I give you a hint. N is bilangan jalur. N is the number of strips. Okay, so anyone? Can you try? Delta x equal to what? Now I want to find the small change, perubahan kecil. So the small change is equal to what? Involving the B, A, and N. Can anyone form the equation? If don't know, you can say don't know. Don't worry. Kalau tak tahu, kamu cakap saja tak tahu. Very close. Sangat tepat. Bahagi N is correct already. Dua nilai tu kamu tukar. You just switch both only. Okay, it's supposed to be B minus A bahagi N. Because B ni nilai lebih tinggi. B is a higher value. A ni nilai lebih rendah, is a lower value. So you must take higher minus lower. Yang lebih tinggi tolak yang lebih rendah. That's why it's B minus A. Divide by your number of strip, bilangan jalur. Then you can get what is the small change in X. Perubahan kecil bagi X. Okay, so good try. So this is the concept you all must use. Okay, delta X is B minus A over N. So now you can start already. So you start with part A. So you use delta x equal to b minus a over n. So another info that you must find here is what is the luas for one jalur? Okay, what is the area of one strip? So can anyone tell me what is the formula for area of one strip? Can anyone tell the rumus? Of course, this is rectangle shape lah. Okay, dia adalah bentuk segi empat tepat. So what is the formula we use? Can anyone tell? I don't want length times width, guys. I want the specific symbol that you use. Length times width, everyone know. So anyone? Luas satu jalur. Can anyone type? Let's say I use this as Y lah. Okay, the tinggi is Y. Yes, Y initial, lepas tu kali dengan times with what? Anyone? Remember length times width. Very good. Okay, perubahan X. Delta X lah in other words. Okay, very good. So luas one jalur, and I might write English. Area of one strip is equal to YI. Saya bagi simbol I because initial. Okay, YI times with delta X. Okay, permulaan bagi Y darab dengan perubahan kecil X. Okay, so this is how we get two information already. So now, to find the total area, jumlah luas, basically what we will do is, we sum. Kita buat hasil tambah setiap jalur, we sum up the area of each of the strip from n strip, two n strip from y equals to I, from the initial y until the nth jalur. Nth jalur kita tak tahu berapa jalur. Okay, we don't know how many strip we need. That's why we give a general symbol n. Okay, n terms, right? You all learn janjang. Am I right? Sebutan ke n. N term. We don't know what is the term. Okay, that's why n. Kita tak tahu bilangan. And this one is the starting lah. Y equals to I. Initial. Permulaan. So then, what else you have to add is you sum up the luas. Am I right? Sekarang kamu tengah tambahkan semua luas. Wait, let me see. Oh yeah, correct. Sorry, saya pun dah silap. Very good. Yeah, it's supposed to be I equals to 1. Because we're talking about the first one. Yeah, correct. What I equals to 1. Okay, not bad. Very good. Okay, so basically, kamu hasil tambah semua luas. That's why I use YI delta X. Okay, because YI delta X is our area. So yeah, this is how we prove it lah. But of course, jangan henti kat sini. Yeah, very good. 1 means the first strip. Okay, I is initial. So the initial strip is the first strip lah, in other words. Okay, jalur yang pertama tu adalah the first petak lah. Yeah, correct. Okay, so basically now what you will do is, when n approach infinity, delta x akan pergi ke kosong. This is the concept you all must know. Means when the bilangan jalur, the number of strip go to a very large value like infinity, perubahan kecil x tu akan menghampiri kosong. The small change of x will approach 0. Okay, very simple lah. You all can imagine. Let's say you got many jalur like this. I draw so many until you cannot count. This is infinity lah. So guys, can you all see? Bila bilangan jalur bertambah, very simple. Kamu guna rumus ni saja kamu faham. Okay, you use this formula, you will know. Like guys, you see this, very simple. N approach infinity. Soalan dah bagi tahu. Am I right? N approach infinity. So guys, anything bahagi infinity, what is your result? Can you all tell me? Apa jawapan kamu? Apa-apa nombor bahagi infinity, nilai dia? Kosong. Yeah, that's why delta x approach kosong. So can you all get it? So this is the concept lah, very simple. A bahagi kosong, you get infinity. A bahagi infinity, you get kosong. This is the concept you must memorize. That's why when n approach infinity, delta x approach kosong. Okay, because of this concept over here. Okay, you must remember this one. Alright, so then after this, you get over here. So then you can actually write out your formula. You can direct go to this. L jumlah equal to BA Y dx. Okay, so guys, I want to ask you all, why the delta x over here, dia tukar kepada dx? Can anyone tell me? Why the delta x is changed to dx? Can anyone tell me? Satu sebab. Anyone? Why the delta x symbol I must change to dx? Where got delta y, Haida? Delta x. Our formula is delta x. Paksi x. So why kita tukar guys macam ni? Mengapa simbol dia tukar? Why does it change? Why does it change from delta x to dx? Anyone can explain? Siapa boleh terangkan? Very good. Approach zero. Can you see this guys? Boleh nampak yang ni? Sebab delta x dah menghampiri kosong. The perubahan kecil is very small. Terlalu kecil untuk kamu bayangkan. The change is too small. That's why we direct assume delta x is dx. Dx means basically tak ada perubahan kecil lah. There is no perubahan already. Because it already approached kosong. Kosong means no change. Am I right? Tak ada perubahan when delta x is zero. Okay, that's why we can assume directly as dx. Okay, kameran ni kamu kena tambah lah because sum kamu ganti dengan simbol kameran because you all learn the symbol right for integration. That's why instead of this symbol we ganti with integral. Okay, symbol kameran. Okay guys, can you all get it? How to prove this formula? Kamu tulis semua langkah ni saja. Kamu boleh dapat dah markah. Okay, just write all these steps. Okay, total mark 3 marks. Okay, kamu akan dapat 3 markah. Okay guys, so can I continue to part B? Think part B should be no problem lah. Okay, they ask you find the shaded region. Okay, so just integrate 1 to 4, 3x power negative 2 dx. Okay, so you will get 3x power negative 1 over negative 1, 4, 1. Okay, so if you press calculator, you should get negative 3 over x, 4, 1. Okay, then you gantikan your limit lah. 4 and 1. Kamu gantikan had atas, had bawah. Okay, so you will get, let me delete first. Okay, so finally, you will get negative 3 over 4 minus negative 3 over 1. So final answer 2, 1 over 4. So guys, remember, although unit tak ditekankan sangat in maths, although they never emphasize unit, I will emphasize to put unit square. Okay, because area in integration, the symbol is unit square. Jadi tulis juga unit kuasa 2. Okay, jangan tinggal jawapan yang ni sahaja. Okay, although dia betul, but just practice to put unit square. To prove the integral 2, no need to show the diagram kan? Haida, the diagram already given to you in the question. Soalan dah beri wajah, tak perlu lukis lagi sekali. The question will give the diagram one, don't worry. Okay, they have to give diagram to give you some information untuk bagi info kat kamu. Contoh, mana nilai B kamu, mana nilai A kamu. They have to tell you, okay, what is your highest limit, what is your lowest limit, apa simbol kena guna. They have to tell. That's why they draw the diagram. Okay, so can you understand guys? Question 6. Okay, so this is question 6. Okay, so any more question guys? 6 to 10? 6 sampai 10? Ada lagi nak bincang? Yang kamu rasa susah? Okay, number 8. Okay, let's see. This one under function lah. Okay, so number 8. Find the value of h and k. Okay guys, first thing first. H value. Nilai h. Okay, so guys, if you see nilai h, okay, 8a only lah. You already told. Yeah, correct. H is 3. Do you all know how to get H is 3 guys? Kalau sesiapa tak tahu macam mana dapat H equals 3? Yeah, x minus 3 equal to 0. So you get x equals to 3. Okay, when x equals to 3 ya guys, kamu tengok garis ni kedua-dua graph tak sentuh. Both of the graph won't have any value when x equal to 3. Why? If x equal to 3, bottom becomes 0. Anything divide 0, you get infinity. Okay, that's why graph tak menyentuh. The graph will come very close to the line. Tapi dia takkan sentuh garis. It will never touch the line. Okay, what type of graph is this guys? The name is reciprocal. Reciprocal graph. Okay, graph salingan in BM. Okay, reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal mean 1 over x. Okay, bentuk dia macam ni. Okay guys, so this is how you get h is 3. So how about k? Macam mana dapat nilai k? Anyone know how to get the k? X equal to 0. Bukan? Saat saya cuba tengok. Boleh tak dapat? Tak boleh. Okay, method 2 cannot. Has this got... Yes, very good. Yes, something to do with inverse. Okay, that is the key point. Okay guys, you must memorize. You must find the inverse function of this. Kamu kena cari fungsi songsang bagi yang ni untuk dapat nilai k. Alright, you must find the inverse function. Because if you all remember, to find inverse function guys, what test do we use? Kalau nak cari fungsi songsang, horizontal or vertical? Yeah, it's horizontal. Okay, inverse function horizontal. Haida, vertical is to determine whether function or not. Adakah dia fungsi atau tidak, kita guna vertical. Okay, ujian menegak. If it's function or not. If horizontal, we use for inverse function. Ujian garis mendata kot kalau tak silap. Okay, horizontal. So can you see this? This is the horizontal line. Okay, garis mendata. So this to determine whether inverse function. Okay, horizontal is for inverse. Vertical is for function or not. Okay, fungsi atau tidak. Okay, so basically you just find lah the inverse function of this. So you will let f inverse x equal to y. So x equal to fy. So this is the normal step lah untuk buat inverse function. So you'll get 2y plus 5 over y minus 3. Okay, so now you have to expand xy minus 3x equal to 2y plus 5. So xy minus 2y equal to 3x plus 5. So you must try to express the equation y in terms of x. Kamu kena ungkapkan y dalam sebutan x. So you factorize y, faktorkan y, pindah yang ni ke sebelah kanan. Okay, so this will be your inverse function. Okay, so f inverse x, sebab y sama dengan f inverse x kan, our assumption. So that's why y equal to f inverse x. 3x plus 5 over x minus 2. Because k represent the value where the inverse function will exist. Okay, can you see over here, the bottom here? Basically, x is equal to the k value. X sama dengan nilai k. Okay, that's why k minus 2 equal to 0. K is equal to 2. That's the answer. Because k represent horizontal line. Okay, garis mendata. So garis mendata is to use to check whether ada fungsi songsang atau tak. So if you see over here, you can find the inverse function. Am I right? Kamu boleh cari fungsi songsang. Maksudnya, it exists lah. Fungsi songsang ada. Okay, there is inverse function for this thing. So how to get the k value? You must let the bottom equal to 0. Okay, then you can get the k value. Okay guys, can understand? Boleh faham for part A? So do you all need discussion on part B? Perlu tak saya bincang yang ni bahagian B? No need Can do Okay, I think this one should be no. This one so I can explain lah. Okay, if f inverse x guys, direct answer. Yang ni tak ada apa-apa. Can you all tell me the answer for B? This one is the concept you must know about inverse function and normal function. So what's the answer? Tak ada jalan kira. Jawapan terus. Yes, 13.4. Okay, fx, f songsang x, the relationship is inverse songsang. So your coordinate also must songsang lah. That's why 4 13 become 13 4. Reflection in the line y equals to x. Dia adalah pantulan garis y sama dengan x. That's why coordinate x and y, dia tukar kedudukan. They just switch the position because reflect. Okay guys, so this is how you do question 8. So any more question? 5 to 10? Ada lagi soalan nak bincang? 5 to 10? Anyone? 5 to 10 anymore? 9B, yeah? Okay. 9B. Solve the equation. Okay, so this one you must know lah how to prove first. Okay, kamu kena tahu buktikan. Okay, this one not so hard. You can do it. Okay. So now for part B, very simple. You must just use your proving in answer A. Okay, kamu kena guna jawapan kat bahagian A. So guys, cos 2 theta is what? This one. So you substitute 1 minus 2 sine square theta equal to 5 minus 8 sine theta. So now, what is the matlamat guys? What must we get? Quadratic equation. Kita kena susun dalam bentuk arm quadratic. So sin 6 sine square theta plus 8 sine theta minus 8 equal to 0. So then you simplify, you divide 2, you will get this. So this is your quadratic equation. Okay, so this is your quadratic equation. So now, kamu boleh faktorkan terus, direct factorize. Okay, 2 bracket equal 0. So 3 sine theta sine theta 2 plus minus. So sine theta equal to 2 over 3 or sine theta equal to negative 2. So guys, boleh tak saya terima dua nilai ni? Can I accept both of these values? Ataupun saya kena reject one? What is your suggestion? Accept both or reject one? Yes, you reject this one. Okay, kamu kena tolak yang ni. If you remember, yeah, it's undefined. Maximum value for sine, maximum or minimum lah. Untuk fungsi sine theta is equal to 1 or negative 1. Okay, there is no such thing as sine theta equal to negative 2. Tak wujud. Okay, so it's rejected. So you only depend on one angle. So first you find sudut rujukan, reference angle. Okay, 2 over 3 shift sine 41.8 darjah. So guys, sine positive quadrant ke berapa? Can you all remind me? Which quadrant is sine get positive? Remember back your quadrant. So what you have? You have Q1 and you also have Q2. Okay, dua quadrant sine positive Q1, Q2. So you see your question 0 to 360. So can lah. Okay, kamu boleh ada dua jawapan. You will have two answer. So you draw your quadrant 41.8 and also 41.8 because Q1, Q2 sine is positive. So your final answer theta equal to 41.8 and also 180 minus 41.8. Okay, this answer is 138.19. 138.19. So the final answer is this one and this one. Okay guys, can you understand for part B? This is how we solve. Okay, let's say lah one day the question want to trick you all. Mereka tukar julat, they change the range 0 to 90 only. So this answer you cannot accept. Okay, kamu kena tolak jawapan ni. Means that you only have one answer. Okay, depend on the range. Always read the question carefully. What range they want. Okay, to avoid any mistake lah. Okay, so any more question? 5 to 10 that you want me to discuss? 5 sampai 10 ada lagi? I think 7 we never discuss. 5, 7 or 10? No more ah? If no more means we go 11 to 15 ah? Okay, so 11 to 15, any question you want me discuss? Soalan mana kamu rasa susah? 11 to 15? 11. Okay, welcome back to the lesson of permutation and combination. Okay, guys, yesterday was very hectic, but hopefully today is better lah on this chapter. So slowly, guys, slowly. This chapter you must be slow. Okay, I also must be slow. Yeah, yesterday one memang we crack our head to solve. This one is a bit easier. This one lebih senang, trust me. Okay, so this one you have to draw tree diagram. Okay, guys, don't tell me you don't know what is tree diagram. You all learn modern maths, right? Okay, kamu semua dah belajar bab keberangkalian modern maths. Form 4, chapter 9. Mereka suruh dah ajar kamu how to draw tree diagram. Okay, so that is the exact concept you apply here. Okay, so now got 3 menu and got 2 drink. 3 food, 2 drink. Okay, 3 makanan, 2 minuman. So now you can draw lah. So basically, you start like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the tree diagram. So first makanan, nasi lemak. You must write full form, guys. Tak boleh pendek, Must write the whole name. Mi goreng and also lontong. Okay, these are the 3 food. So then, if you read the question, let me see. Yeah, you must have 2 drinks, okay, for each of the food. Okay, means that you can have tea, coffee, tea, coffee, tea, coffee. Okay, means you must have only satu makanan, satu minuman lah. In other words, 1 food, 1 drink. That's why I got like this. Okay, so guys, if I draw only like this, is it enough? Adakah sudah cukup? Or should I add on some more? Is it perfect already for full mark? Anyone? No, right? So what is missing? Can you all tell me? Apa hilang? What is the thing I never draw yet? Yes, correct. The outcome. Very good. Okay, don't forget your result or outcome. Okay, so basically you just write out lah. Nasi lemak tea, nasi lemak coffee, mi goreng tea, mi goreng coffee, and then lontong tea, lontong coffee. So you got 6 outcome, 6 kesudahan. Okay, so you must write out all in the bracket. Okay, this format. And write in full form with a comma in the middle. Okay, full form. Don't write nasi lemak like this, tea like this. Okay, jangan buat macam ni. Okay, you must write full format. Unless kamu buat anggapan. If you write an assumption on top, let nasi lemak equal to n. Mi goreng equal to M. If you write like this, kamu boleh guna yang ni. Kamu kena tulis anggapan macam ni. Then you can use the short form. If you never write this, tak tulis yang ni, kena buat nama penuh. Before we start doing wajah pokok, yes. Yeah. Before you start doing the wajah pokok, kamu tulis anggapan ni. Kalau nak guna short form. Okay, kalau kamu nak tulis penuh, tak payahlah. Okay, so up to you. 2 methods you all can use. Okay, so now we go to the permutation. Okay, so arrange. Keyword is arrange. Arrange mean pilih atur. Okay, NPL. Okay, we are using NPL. So now, okay, first one I think should be no problem lah, guys. Round table So can anyone tell me formula for round table, please? They want to arrange all the students, semua. So what is the formula for round table? Very good. Remember, n minus 1 factorial. Okay, so now no condition. Very simple lah. So you have 8 students. So n equal to 8. So you will get 8 minus 1 factorial for this question. Okay, so it's equal to 5040. Okay, this is the answer for B1. Okay, so how about B2? B2 is a bit more complex. So guys, if A and B sit together, berapa jumlah sekarang? What is your N value? Can anyone tell? This one careful Is your n value still 8? Very good. Decrease by 1. This one, if they sit together, right? Kalau dia duduk together, this is considered as one set. Okay, satu set means one person only. A and B consider one person because they sit together. There is a halangan, restriction. So 1 plus another 6 letter over here. Okay, that's why n equal to 7. Okay, so guys, if I write like this lah, 7 minus 1 factorial. Is it? That's all? Adakah yang ni jawapan dia? No. Okay, like how Haida say, you must times by 2. So why times by 2? Because B and A, they can internal rotation. Mereka boleh tukar kedudukan antara satu sama lain. That's why times 2, or you want to put times 2 factorial, also same lah. Nilai dia masih sama. Times 2 or times 2 factorial. So final answer, 1440. Okay guys, are you clear for question 11? Should be no problem, this one. Okay, so any more question? 11 to 15? That you want me discuss? 11 to 15? Any more? If none, say none, guys. You don't have. Ada, the rest? Can we go paper 2 now? Boleh pergi kertas 2? Wah, sangat pantas hari ni. Maksudnya you all very good lah. I feel like these questions were so quite easy. Kamu semua boleh buat. Okay, not, I don't see anything quite hard. Okay, so we go paper 2. Sorry, paper 2 also is here. Okay, so paper 2. So question 1 to 5. Which question you want discussion on? 1 sampai 5. Mana kamu rasa susah? I know people will say number 2 already when they see permutation. 3 look a bit hard because you must divide formula. Okay, this is 4. This is 5. Okay, so any question guys? 1 to 5? Which one you want discussion? Any number? That's why. See, number 2 lah. Correct. Okay, never mind. We explain again. I think this one a bit hard lah. The first one. Okay, 2 and 4C. Okay. So come. First of all, you just write the equation for number 2. You have to start with this. Okay, first question before I start. If you look at this equation lah guys, will you start from left hand side? LHS or RHS? Mana kamu akan mula dulu? Left or right hand side? Yeah, of course left hand side. Remember the concept is start from the complex one, go to the easy one. Mula dari susah ke senang. Okay, so the susah one is left hand side. Okay, so now you just simplify this one. Actually, this one not so hard lah. You stop over here. Divide n minus 2 factorial. Can you get what I'm doing here, guys? Because n factorial means n times n minus 1 times n minus 2. Very simple. Let's say I ask you to find 8 factorial. 8 factorial is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Am I right? So how they get all this? Macam mana dapat semua ni? 8 times 8 minus 1 times 8 minus 2 times 8 minus 3 times 8 minus 4. And then continue lah. So guys, can you see how the formula come over here? It's exactly the same. Okay, kamu boleh pilih nak henti kat mana. So I stop over here lah because these two are the same. So potong. Okay, I cut both of these up and down. So now you just left with this lah. Kamu tinggal dengan yang ni. So it's equal to n square minus n. Settle. We already proven. Do you get it? So this how you can prove this one. Okay, very simple this one for part A. Okay, so now guys, this one, first question, P or C? Which one? For question B, yes, very good, C. Okay, whenever you want to form the team, bentuk pasukan is always C. Okay, combination. So now You have to always know your total lah. Okay, total over here is 20 because 11 boy, 9 girl. So total 20. You want to select 6. So R is 6. Okay, N is equal to 20. Okay, so now girls only. So total you have 9 girls. You want to choose 6. Okay, so basically you will have 9 C 6. Okay, because 9 girl, you want to choose 6 debater. So all the 6 kena lah perempuan lah because total 9 perempuan, kamu nak perempuan saja. So totally you got 84 choices. Okay, and then part 2, at least 5 boys. So you can have 5, you can have 6. So guys, can I have 7 boys? Boleh tak saya pilih 7 lelaki? Can or not? Yes, no, because total you must choose only 6. Although you got 11 boys, you can only take 6 boys. Okay, so now you got two case lah. So basically, you have 5 boy. So how many girl you have? Can anyone tell? 5 boy pair with 1 girl. Wow, very good, guys. 5 boy can attack 1 girl, not bad. Okay, this one very dangerous scenario, guys. Hati-hati, 5 boy, 1 girl, careful. Okay, havoc can happen over here. So the second case, 6 boy, 0 girl. Okay, this one very selamat. Okay, this case very selamat one. 6 boy, 0 girl. Nothing will happen. Okay, so now if you kembangkan, you will get 11C5, okay, times with 9C1 because 11 boy and also 9 girl total plus with 11C6 times 9C0. Okay, so final answer 4620. Okay, so permutation combination dia boleh datang juga kat kertas 2. Don't assume it's always paper 1. This is the proof that it can come also in paper 2 question. Okay, paper 2 also can come out, not necessarily paper 1. Okay, like example, it can come in section A. Okay, this is section A, paper 2. Okay, so just now people asked 4C, right? Okay, so 4C. So this one, okay. This one a bit complex, but can do. Okay, so first of all, let's see the situation. Okay, so he start to save 6,000. Okay, interest rate. Okay, guys, first question, GP or AP? Interest rate means GP or AP? GP. Can you tell the common ratio? Apa nisbah sepunya? Common mistake. Careful lah, guys. Interest rate 5% mean original 100% you plus with 5%. Okay, yeah. You will get 105%, which is equal to 1.05. So R equal to 1.05. Okay, not 0.05, because 100 plus 5. Okay, so then after you get this, over here got lah part A, all this you must know. So let me go straight to part C. So now they say that after 10 years it increased to 7% per year. So now guys, what is the R value here? Can you all tell me? Apa nilai R for second situation? If increase 7%, mean apa nisbah sepunya? Anyone? 7%? You will get 1.07. Correct? 8 years the 1.07. Let me see. Yeah, correct. 8 years. Okay, 8 years 1.07 because if you see the question, Let me see here. First birthday. Okay, first birthday until 10 years. Where's the 10 years? There. After 10 years means 1 to 10 years. 4C, 4C. I discussing 4C. 1 to 10 years, the common ratio is 1.05. After 10 years, it come to this. Okay, means 11 to 18 years, 1.07 R value. Okay, this is the situation you all must understand. Okay, ini adalah situasi. Maksudnya you must do 2 times the progression because you got 2 different value. Okay, so you cannot direct count one shot because you got 2 different R value. Okay, so kamu kena buat how to show if it's GP. Oh, very simple. You got start with 6,000. Am I right? If 1.05 R, you times with 1.05 lah. 6,000 times 1.05. 6,000 times 1.05 square. 3 term enough. 3 sebutan cukup. So, if you count the common ratio, kamu ada nisbah sepunya yang sama. Yeah, you're right like that. Okay, first year 6,000, second year you count how much, third year how much, then you take third year divide second year, ataupun second year divide first year. Kalau dua-dua ada nilai R sama, then yes lah, it is geometric. Itu saja for question A. Okay guys, so we go to C. So now, the question asks you, calculate the amount of saving. So guys, SN or TN over here? For this question, for C. Should I use SN ataupun TN? Are you sure? Careful. Yes, TN. Okay, kamu kena guna TN. So why TN? Basically lah, if you see the situation here, they want to see does the saving amounts reach 15,000. They never say total savings. Mereka tak cakap pun jumlah simpanan. Can you see this guys? They just ask wang simpanan, the amount of savings only. Okay, so you don't need to use sum. Okay, so basically, first of all, you count the T10 value. Kamu cari sebutan ke-10 in the 10th year. How much saving? So AR n minus 1. So A value, you start with 6,000 just now. Am I right? And then your R is 1.05 starting. And then 10 minus 1. So you count and see, you will get RM 9307.97. Depend on the situation. Okay, if you see over here, the question asks you lah, will the savings reach 15,000? Adakah dia akan capai 15,000? Common sense. Let's say we start with 6,000 lah guys. If you try to sum all the terms, kalau kamu cuba tambah 3 yang ni sahaja, dia dah 18,000. Does it make sense guys? 3 years only. 3 years kamu tambah already reach 18,000. So imagine, according to 4C, you need to sum until 18 years, 18 tahun. 3 tahun kalau guna SN dah capai 18,000. Okay, the question asks you until 15,000 only. So logic ke tak kalau guna SN? Tak logic because your answer will go over 100,000 already by then. Okay, that is why we use TN. Because the value should be quite close. Walaupun ya atau tidak, dia takkan sangat jauh. Okay, this is one thing you must remember. It'll be very, very close one. Okay, shouldn't have such a big difference. Okay, so this is how you can check also. Okay, so for part C, after you get this, you will find T11. Okay, T11 basically is your starting value lah, nilai permulaan untuk 11 hingga 18 years because you must find your A value. Am I right? So basically you still write ARN minus 1, A 6,000, 1.05 power 11 minus 1. Okay, so if you count and see, kalau kamu kira, you will get answer of 9773. Sad, wait for a while. Let me see, is there any problem? Mm, 9959. Wait, guys, I try to check and see is there any mistake I made. 9773. Oh, I forget to power 10. 1.05 power 10 times 6000. Hey, still get the same answer. Wait, guys, let me see. Why it doesn't get the answer? This one is 9307. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 8 years. So we need T11, 12, 13, T11. Maybe, let me try 7% times 9307 times 97. Okay, I get it already. Okay, guys, this one a bit special lah. Okay, yang ni special sikit. Why I must find T11 first? Kenapa kita kena cari T11 ni dulu? Is because if you remember, right, 11 to 18 the common ratio dia dah berubah kan? Nisbah sepunya dah jadi yang ni. Am I right? Based on the question. So basically, the A value yang kamu guna kat sini, can I use A 6000 lah guys? Boleh tak saya guna A sama dengan 6000? Macam untuk tahun 1 sampai 10. Can I use the same A value? Yes or no? Try to think and see. That's why cannot. You must find the new A value. Kamu kena cari nilai A baru. Sebab kamu ada nisbah sepunya yang berbeza. You have different common ratio. Okay, so you must use the A value for T11. T11 equal to your A now. A new. A yang baru. Okay, so how to get T11? They say that 7% increase. Okay, after 10 years. So after 10 years, your amount is this one. Am I right? Jumlah selepas 10 tahun is this one. So for the 11th, T11, you will take 107% times 9307.97. Mengapa 107%? Because it increased 7%. Okay, increase 7% means 100 plus 7. 107. Okay, ini konsep dia. So if you count and see, you will get RM9959. Okay, 0.93. Okay guys, can you understand this step or not first? What I do over here, this black one. Boleh faham tak? Kenapa kena buat yang ni? Can because kalau kamu tak dapat yang ni, you will get wrong answer. You must find T11 first. Okay, so then you can find T8. Okay, or you can say T18 lah. Okay, to be more specific. So now, this is your A value. Yang ni. Okay, yang kamu kena guna. So T18 is 9959.93 times R power n minus 1. Okay, R sekarang 1.07, remember. Okay, your n is equal to 8. Because 11 to 18, tempo yang ni, jumlah adalah 8 tahun. Total 8 years. From 11 years old to 18 years old. Okay, so your final answer, you will get RM 15992.83. Okay, this is your final answer. So if you see back your question, does it reach 15,000 guys? Adakah dah capai 15,000? Yes. Okay, what is the reason? Kamu punya sebab lah. Kamu punya langkah kerja. Your working step is the reason. Okay, jadi kamu dah tunjukkan lah. You already get above than 15,000. Okay guys, can you understand this question? A bit tricky. Soalan janjang selalunya akan tricky guys. So be careful, kena hati-hati. Ayat yang mereka guna tu kamu kena hati. The language. Okay, because the language is very confusing sometimes. Keyword. You must see keyword. Okay, example like this lah. Kalau kamu pi buat SN, habis lah satu soalan. Soalan sini gone already. Okay, 4 marks gone. They actually want TN. That's why TN or SN, Mana nak guna, you have to be very careful. Kena hati-hati. Analyze the question properly, then only decide. Don't direct jump into this. Okay, guys? So, any more question? 1 to 5 that you want to discuss? Any more? 1 to 5? Kalau tak ada, 6 to 10, ah? Okay, so 6 to 10. Which question you want discussion on? 6 sampai 10. Any question? I think 7 you all don't like, right? Proving. Buktikan selalu susah. Draw graph. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay guys, 6 to 10. Which question? Kalau tak ada, kamu cakap tak ada. 8, ah? Okay. Oh, integration. Okay. So guys, I want to ask you all lah. Usually paper 2, kamu mula section mana dulu? Kertas 2. All of you here. Which will you start with? I want to see the majority lah. What you all say? Kalau paper 2, kamu mula A, B atau C? Belakang sekali. C forever. Okay lah, this one I know already, this kind of attitude. You want to grab as much mark as you can before the hard question come. Okay, so make sure lah, section B and C, right? Total 50 mark, you know guys. Okay, jumlah markah. So make sure at least you hit 40. Kamu kena at least dapat 40 per 50. For those who target A lah. Okay, this one I never say A plus yet. Saya tak cakap lagi A plus. This one is just for solid A. 40 or 50 at least. Okay. If you want lower than that, then 30 can lah. Okay, 30 also can. If you target maybe B, B plus, B minus lah, then 30 lah. Okay. So that's why section B and C very important for this paper. Okay, so first thing, to find coordinate P, you got curve and straight line. Okay, you want to find coordinate P. So guys, coordinate P adalah apa? Titik persilangan, intersection point. So guys, if intersection point, kita guna kaedah apa untuk cari P? What method you all learn so far? You got two equations simultaneous. Yes. Okay, so should be no problem lah. Okay, for question A, basically, you just need to solve simultaneous. So you substitute this inside this. So you will get 3 over 2x equal to negative x square plus 7. Okay, so then you can times the whole equation by 2. So you will get 3x equal to negative 2x square plus 14. So 2x square plus 3x minus 14 equal to 0. Then you factorize. Buat pemfaktoran, you will get 2x, x, and then let me see. How come don't have combination? 7, 2. Okay, 7, 2 minus plus. Okay, this one. Okay, guys, so you will get x is negative 7 over 2, x equal to 2. So, guys, can we accept both of the x value? Adakah kita boleh terima dua-dua nilai x based on this graph? No, very good. You reject this one. Okay, because x must be positive based on the diagram. So, x negative, you reject. So, x equal to, you substitute in any equation lah, y equal to 3 over 2x. So you will get 3 over 2 times 2, you will get 3. So don't forget guys, you must write in coordinate form the answer. So your final answer, P is 2, 3. Okay, if you don't write in coordinate form, salah, because question asks you, find the coordinate P. If you just write x is 2, y is 3, kamu akan fikir betul dah. Okay, you think it's correct but wrong. Okay, because they ask coordinate. Coordinate must always come in a pair, pasangan, x, y. So this one is answering technique. Maybe you all might forget because you rushing to do the question, kamu terlupa to answer back the question. Okay, so make sure you all don't silap lah on this very sayang one. Okay, because you know how to do. Okay, so next one, they ask you to find the shaded region. Okay, so guys, what is the concept here to get the shaded region? Can anyone tell? Apa tolak apa? So what will we minus? Curve minus triangle. Okay, maybe you think like this, is it? Something like this. So curve minus triangle, yeah, correct. Okay, so correct. You can take the luas bawah this lengkung. Wait, sorry, not like this. It come like this. Wait, curve minus triangle, basically lah, you cannot do directly curve minus triangle for here because this is the curve. Okay, the blue one is the curve. So basically lah, you must take curve minus two parts, which is area of triangle plus the area under the curve again. This small region over here. Can you see it? Okay, if you want to do this method lah, but of course got the easier method. If you look at the y-axis, kalau kamu respect to y-axis, you direct plus these two area, you can get the answer already. Okay, kamu tambah dua ni pun cukup. Okay, you divide it into two, then you plus both area. So basically, first of all, you must find your limits lah. Kena cari hard. So how to get the limit? Y-intercept of curve is 7. Okay, so this one is 7. So then you already found coordinate P. This one is 3. Am I right? This one is 2. Okay, so now panjang ni adalah 3. Tinggi ni adalah 2. So you can find the first area because it is a straight line. Kalau dia garis lurus, no need kameran. Don't do integration. So half times 3 times 2, you direct get 3 unit square. Okay, this one is for number 1. 1. This working. Okay, you still have the second part, number 2. So number 2, no choice. You have to use kameran lah because it's the curve, lengkung. Okay, so you integrate from 3 to 7. Guys, over here, symbol saya dx or dy? Can you all tell me which one? Should I use dx or dy over here? Kameran saya. In respect to which one? Anyone? Hey, careful. See where my limits all are. This one all is x-axis or y-axis. 7 and 3. You see over here. Y-axis. Okay, that is why you must respect to dy. Okay, don't confuse guys. You must respect dy this one. Because kaedah yang saya guna adalah terhadap paksi y. So that's why dy. So your equation, you cannot direct substitute. You need to change the equation. X in terms of y. Okay, so basically you will get 7 minus y equal to x square. So x is equal to negative y plus 7. Then only you substitute negative y plus 7 over here. Okay guys, all this detail kamu kena master lah. You must get correct all this detail. Okay, if not you will make careless mistake one. Okay, so now you integrate lah. So you get negative y square over 2 plus 7y. The limit is 7, 3. So then you can count and see. Okay, you substitute upper limit and you substitute lower limit. Plus 7, 3. Okay, so if you count this, make sure tekan calculator carefully. You will get negative 4.5 plus 21. You will get 8. So final answer 8 tambah with 3. So your total area is 11. Okay, 11 unit square. Okay guys, can get it? Boleh faham? Can guys? How to do this one? Are you clear? Can respond a bit? Hello? Can get it guys? For bahagian 2. Okay, this is how you do. Total, you will get 11 unit square. Okay, so we proceed for the last one, volume. Why you all suddenly so dead, ah? Everyone here? Nampak macam tak ada semangat saja? Anything wrong, ah? Okay, so next question, you're using volume, shaded region. Okay, so basically, you must find the area of the shaded region. The volume. Okay, kamu kena cari isi padu. So how to get the volume? Basically, you see over here, they say y equals to 3, the curve. Okay, curve y equal to 3 and also paxi y. So guys, can you all tell me where is the shaded region I must find over here? Is it number 1 or 2? Which one? Or number 3? Mana saya kena cari isi padu? 1, 2 atau 3? Can you all tell me? Yeah, 1. Okay, very good. So this one 7, this one 3, you can find already lah. But careful lah, they say x-axis. Okay, so you cannot find directly. You must take total volume minus this volume. Okay, total minus the other volume. Then you can get the final answer. Okay, so basically, let me see. Is there a faster way? 20 power 5 x power 5. I think no other method. You must use the long way only. Then only can. Okay, I think you must use the long method. So basically, you can find this volume. Okay, you find the triangle volume first. And then, oh, actually directly lah, you can find this one. You direct find this volume. Y equals to 3 pi integrate kosong until 2 y square dx. Okay, so you are going to integrate 2 to 0 pi 9 dx. Okay, so you will get pi 9x 0. So your final answer, you will get 18 pi. Okay, for this whole thing lah, yang hitam ni. So then, you have to find this one. Okay, this small part over here for the curve. Okay, so the curve actually pintasan x is surd 7. Okay, y equals 0, x equal to surd 7. Okay, so kamu buat kameran pi integrate from 2 to surd 7 and then negative x square plus 7 square y square dx. Guys, remember the formula. Okay, that means you have to kembangkan. Okay, you need to expand it. Let me write first the rest. Okay. So guys, I want to ask you all a question lah. If I direct kamekan macam ni, if I do like this, guys, you try to see and tell me, is this correct or not? Adakah ni betul? This type of integration from here direct to here, is it correct? Adakah ni konsep betul? Yes or no? I want to hear from you all. Anyone? Correct or wrong? If I integrate, get like this. Guys, hello? Correct or wrong? This one. Just give your answer. Don't be afraid. Bagi jawapan saja. Is it correct or wrong? Hello? No. Totally wrong. Okay, I know this is a common mistake. A lot of y'all will integrate like this, but you won't get the same answer. Jawapan will be wrong. Okay, don't do like this. Totally wrong. What you must do is you must expand first. Yes. Okay, correct. Okay, don't do this method, guys. You will get the wrong answer. Although it seems very simple. Okay, it's still wrong. So now, how you expand this is just quadratic lah, in other words. Okay, so you never integrate yet. You expand this whole thing first. You will get, I do the fast method of expansion. So if you all don't get it, you can try the manual one also. This is the fast method. Okay, so you expand like this, then you integrate. Okay, so you get x power 5 over 5 minus 14x cubed over 3 plus 49x. And then, let me see, 3 square 2. Wait, guys, let me just see something first, how they are doing this. 2, 0. Oh, yeah. Oh, actually, guys, wait for a while. Actually, there is an easier method, actually. Yeah, I didn't realize. Yeah, you can actually consider this as one curve. Okay, boleh. You can direct take, guys. This one much easier compared to my method. This whole blue thing as number 1. You minus the rectangle I found here. This one as number 2. So it's 1 minus 2. You can get the answer 1. So actually the number 1 is the step I'm showing right now, all of this. Okay, so you still can get the answer 1. Only thing is, you can direct use the limit of 0 to 2 directly. Limit 0 to 2 because 0 start, 2 you end. Okay, boleh faham guys? So basically you just substitute the limit 2, 0 inside this blue equation over here. No need to use 2 and 7 because we direct focus on this blue part. Kita focus yang ni saja. The blue minus the black. Okay, the black is all this. Then you can get your red as the answer. Okay, red is jawapan kamu. Okay guys, can you all get the concept I'm telling here? Okay, this is the concept you all must understand. Okay, so if you expand, if you substitute your limit, this whole equation over here, you will get the answer of 1006 over 15 pi. You just substitute x equals 2 and direct count this whole equation. Okay, you will get this answer. 0 no need substitute because 0 is still 0. Okay, kosong masih kosong. Seluruh persamaan 2. So just substitute x is 2. Then this one, you minus this one. Okay, you will get your answer, which is 736 over 15 pi. Okay, this is your final answer. Okay, guys, can you understand this question? Boleh faham, Can you all respond a bit? Can get it or not? My method. Don't be so shy over there. I know it's a bit hard, but can you all get it? What I'm telling over here. Can, Okay, make sure can. Okay, so any more question? 6 to 10. You all have. 6 sampai 10. Any more? If none, please comment none. I think the rest all should be okay already. No more. So how about 11 to 15? Any question guys? 11 sampai 15? Any question you have difficulty? 11 to 15? So none guys? 13. Okay, 13. Oh, 13 SOT lah. Okay, so this one a bit hard because 3D. Okay, but still no problem. You can still do it. This one is actually past SPM. Okay, very old syllabus one. They suddenly put in this trial. Okay, so quite surprising lah. Already came out in actual SPM, but they put inside this trial again. Exact same shape. Okay, I still remember. Okay, so now basically the first part they ask you the length of DF. Okay, they want to find this length over here. Okay, so we have to see the info given lah. So let me see. Okay. So they say ABEF is a square. Okay, 14 cm. So you label lah 14, 14, 14, 14. Okay, and then AFD is the uniform cross section. So this is the cross section. this triangle over here, and then yeah, that's all you can analyze. So then they give you some info. ADF, this one is 47, and FAD, this one is 55. Okay, 47, 55. So now they ask you DF. So guys, how to get DF? What rule are we using here? I think quite obvious, sine rule. Yeah, so DF over sine 55 equal to 14 over sine 47. So press calculator, you will get DF is 15.68 centimeters. Okay, so this is for bahagian A, DF. This one is the hardest one. 6 marks, guys. Hati-hati. This one very tough. Okay, area of shaded region. So we rub off first. Okay, so basically lah, okay, so this one, let me label back the angle. This one 55, this one is 47, this one you got 15.68 DF, and then FA you have 14, all of this is 14 lah. So guys, if you focus and see lah, at the bottom here, may I know, is this 90 degree, the angle I mark here, DAB? Adakah ni 90 darjah? The angle at the bottom, try to imagine the most bottom there. Is it 90 degree? There is a rectangular base, you know, ABCD. So it should be 90 degree. So basically, if I find the length of DA and use Pythagoras theorem with this 14, I can get the DB length. Am I right, guys? Saya boleh guna kaedah ni. Okay, so how do I get this length, guys? Can anyone tell me what rule? Petua apa saya guna? Sine or cosine to get the DA length? Anyone? Sine or cosine we use? Yeah, which one is the most simplest one to get? Anyone? Hello guys. How to get DA length? Macam mana dapat panjang DA? Yeah, sine easier. How come only one person responding? Where the rest go to? Okay, so basically you find this angle, you can get it Adila. 180 minus 47 minus 55. You will get the answer of 180 minus 47 minus 55 is 78. So you just ambil dA over sine 78. Wait, dA over sine 78 equal to 14 over sine 47. Okay, so dA, if you count and see, sine 78 times 14 divide sine 47, you will get dA is 18.72. Okay, this length over here is 18.72. So guys, how do I get this blue one? The dB length. What rule are we using? Can you all focus here? Focus on this triangle. It is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, remember always you can use Pythagoras theorem for this chapter as long it is 90 degree. Okay, 90 darjah. Your triangle is like this now, DBA. Okay, this one is the 18.72. This one is the 14. I draw out this 3D diagram for you over here. Okay, into 2D. So now you can get this DB length. Okay, how to get DB? Just Pythagoras lah. Square root 18.72 square plus 14 square. So kalau kamu kira, DB will equal to square plus 14 square, square root 23.379. Okay, so now if you refer back to your shaded region, you got DB. DB you have. DF you have from part A. So what length we don't have now, guys? FB. So how do we get FB? Can anyone tell? Try to see the diagram. How do I get this FB length? This one. Macam mana dapat yang ni? Can anyone give suggestion? You all must think lah guys, kamu semua kena fikir because you all only going to sit for the exam, not me. If I keep on giving you the solution, then you all won't able to do on the real day. Kamu tak boleh buat because you don't have idea. Okay, so how do I get FB? Can anyone tell? If you focus on this one, what can I use again? Very good, Pythagoras. I like the answer. This is 90 degree, guys. Square. Question already tell you square. ABEF. Okay, means it's 90 degrees. So 14, you just Pythagoras lah. So FB equal to square root 14 square plus 14 square. So final answer, you count and see, you will get 19.798. Okay, so now guys, this one also you got. So guys, you got all the three sides of the triangle already. So can we get the area? Adakah kita boleh dapat luas of DFB now? Yes or no? Try to think and see. Can we get the area already? Do I need to use half AB sin C or not? Do I need this formula guys? Perlu tak saya guna rumus ni? Yes or no? First of all, you must think and see. Do you have an angle? Anyone? Got angle lah. This question. Hello guys. This question got angle or not? For DFB. Segitiga DFB. Do we have an angle for this triangle? I think no, right? Kita tak ada kan? Yeah, so can we use this formula? Definitely cannot lah. Kita tak boleh guna. So what rumus do we have, everyone? To find area? Another formula? We call heavens. Am I right? Yeah, because you have all the three sides. Kami ada 3 sisi dah. So direct use heaven. Find the semi-perimeter. Okay, semi-perimeter is how? You plus all the three length, divide by 2. Okay, so you have to plus all the lengths you find lah. This one plus the on top one. You plus with this one, and then you plus with the, where is it? DA, this one. Okay, so if you plus and see, you will get 18.72 plus 19.78 plus with 23.379 bagi 2. So 30.395. Okay, so the formula is like this. S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, ABC are the lengths of the triangle. CC segi 4, segi 3. Okay, so you direct substitute only lah. 30.395, 30.395 minus minus what? You just minus any of the length over here can already. Okay, you choose lah anything you like to minus. Then again 30.395 minus with 23.379. You must minus only the length of the triangle lah guys. Jangan pergi tolak apa-apa panjang kamu suka. Okay, minus with 19.78. Okay, and then you square root answer 19.78. Okay, so minus 18.72. Let me do this. 23.379 times answer minus 19.78. Okay, times 30.395 square root answer. Okay, so we have our answer. 177.02 cm square. Okay guys, can you all get it? Boleh dapat how to solve this question? Okay, the answer might vary a bit because I already rounded off all these answers. So make sure you use the exact value in the calculator when counting if you want to get the exact answer in the schema. Okay, don't change the value or don't round off. Jangan bundarkan. Okay, So when you write the working can lah, you can round off, but when you use the calculator, don't padamkan the value. Exactly use that value and continue. Okay, so then for part C, shortest distance, can anyone tell me? Shortest distance mean what? This one very easy. Shortest distance represent what? This one you must know. Jarak terdekat in a triangle. What does it represent? Yes, the height. Okay, the h. Okay, so I can just use half bh equal to my answer over here, this one. Okay, sama dengan jawapan yang ni. Okay, the base is basically the, let me rub a bit. This is the base. dB length is the base. Okay, this one, the red color one, is the base. Okay, you already found the dB length. Okay, so you just substitute only. Okay, so then you will get the h, half times 23.379 h equal to, this answer not so accurate. Jawapan ni tak sangat tepat. If you count using calculator, it should be 153.35, sorry. Because this one I rounded off a lot already. So that's why I say kamu tak boleh bundarkan. You cannot round off anywhere. Okay, use the exact value in the calculator. Okay, so if you count and see this equation, you will get h equal to 13.14. Okay, shortest distance, this one. Okay guys, are you clear with question 13? Boleh faham? Can ah? So any more question you have? 11 to 15? Ada lagi soalan? 11 sampai 15 that you want me to discuss? If no more, please say no more to the rest here. I know tomorrow is physics, right? So you all very tired. So yeah, do you have any more question? Or else I will end already. Ada lagi? No more. Okay, so I wish you all good luck for your physics exam tomorrow. Okay, I think all of you take physics, right? If not mistaken. Okay, so good luck for your physics tomorrow. Okay, make sure you all study well. Then 2 more days at maths lah. Teruk, you all must do at maths. Okay, 2 more days. So tomorrow and day after will be our last class lah. So then, bye-bye. We no more see each other. 2 more days left. Okay, so make sure you all attend lah the last 2 class because no more other paper before and maths after physics. Okay, so make sure last 2 class you all come lah to discuss 2 more sets. 2 lagi sets soalan. Then you all be ready. Okay guys, so any more question you all have?